Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to install the DeepSeek AI assistant in your Android phone. All you have to need, go ahead and open your Play Store. In Play Store, search for DeepSeek, and this is the official DeepSeek AI assistant. Just go ahead and install the DeepSeek app in your phone. Once DeepSeek successfully installed, open the app, tap on Agree. And now to use DeepSeek, you must need to create an account first. So here you'll find two different options to create account. You can use your email or you can sign in with your Google. You can watch this video in my channel to learn how to create and use how to create an account in DeepSeek and how to use DeepSeek for free. Thanks for watching.